Today, our topic is customizing. Packaging risks in the procurement of custom automated equipment. Why is the last step important? When purchasing custom automated equipment, most buyers focus on the equipment, design, manufacturing capabilities, and FAT acceptance. But there is an important stage that is often underestimated: packing before shipment. A device can pass the FAT test successfully, but when it arrives at the customer's site, it may still encounter problems because transportation creates new risks. Why is packaging important? For standard equipment, packing may only be regarded as a way of protection. But custom automated equipment is different. These systems usually include precision mechanical structures, complex electrical systems, and multiple workstations and modules. Therefore, packing is not just to protect the surface of the device. But the real purpose is to ensure the equipment arrives at the customer's factory, can be accurately installed, connected, and debugged. Risk 1. Cable identification and disassembly management. The first major risk is cable management. Customized automated equipment usually contains a large number of connections, including power lines, signal lines, communication sensor lines. Before shipment, every cable needs to be correctly labeled. This includes clear cable labels and organized cable management, separation between high voltage and connection records, cables that must be disconnected during transportation, especially power cables. Labels are very important. The installation team should restore the links according to the documents, instead of relying on guesswork. For a complete production line, each workstation should also have a clear number, such as station 01, station 02. These numbers should be consistent with the electrical drawings and BOM. This can help engineers understand the original equipment structure and principle. Cleaning, rust prevention, and moisture protection. The second risk is incorrect equipment cleaning and protection. Many people think cleaning is simply to remove dust with compressed air. However, this may cause hidden problems. Inside the electrical cabinet, air may blow tiny metal particles or wire residue into the PCB board, electrical components, and terminals, which may cause subsequent electrical faults. For precision mechanical systems, dust may enter linear guides, sensors, mechanical gaps. A better way is to use industrial vacuum cleaning and inspection. For international transportation, additional equipment may experience high humidity, temperature changes, and long-term storage. Therefore, before shipment, rust and moisture protection are essential. The third risk is transportation fixation. Mechanical protection is insufficient. Automated equipment relies on performance precision. Depends on its location. Precision, mechanical stability, however, and repeatability. Transportation includes impacts, vibrations, shocks, and handling forces. If it is not properly screws fixed, may loosen. Movement of mechanisms and damage to components. Before packaging, suppliers should complete fastening inspection. For moving parts such as linear modules, robots, or handling systems. Transportation locking devices should be installed. Reasonable wooden boxes and fixing systems are also important parts of equipment protection. A real case. Let me share a real case. In an overseas automated equipment project, before shipment had been completed with manufacturing, but when the equipment arrived at the customer's site, some problems were found. The PCB protective plate and some components were affected by the manufacturing process was not the problem. Came from insufficient transportation. This case illustrates an important point. Packing is not only a logistics but also part of equipment quality control. When purchasing custom automated equipment, buyers should not only evaluate the suppliers, but also the equipment performance, manufacturing. They should also evaluate packaging standards, delivery preparation, delivery risk management. Because a successful automation depends not only on manufacturing, but also delivering stable production capacity. A reliable equipment delivery process from manufacturing to packaging, transportation, installation, and other processes. If you are interested in custom automated equipment and industrial risk management, please follow the future content. Thank you.